Okay guys, I'm going to do number 11 in activity 1.2.5, sketches, extrusions, and revolutions. Oh my. Alright, so 11, I'm going to edit the previous model I made. That's this one. I'm going to edit that. So rather than having through holes, it's going to have little semicircular scoops. It gives me a little hint on how to do such scoop. I'm going to hide that and I'm going to go ahead and do it. Alright, so I'm going to erase the pattern. You wouldn't really have to. I'm going to erase the extrusion. So I'm going down to the timeline. I'm right clicking on these items and I'm just hitting delete. Alright, and hey, where'd my sketch go? Alright, so I want to work on that sketch to do it the easy way. So I'm going to come over here in my browser and I'm going to come to sketches. I'm going to turn on the eyeball of my fourth sketch, which that is that one. And then I'm going to work on it. Okay, I'm going to doctor it up a bit. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in there and I am going to put a line and turn this from a circle into a semicircle. So I'm going to lock on the middle and I'm going to head over to the right until I get that X to pop up. That way I'm going through there. So I just made this a circle with a line, but now you can see I'm going to be able to highlight the top or the bottom. So now let's take a look at what I'm doing here. I'm going to revolve. I'm going to choose either the top or the bottom for my profile. For my axis, I'm going to select that line I just put on there, and then I could do it as a join. It would add a ball there, but for the operation I want it to be a cut. I'm going to hit OK. I'm then going to turn off that sketch so it's not so janky to look at and take a look, and you can see I just turned that into a scoop. It's handy to be able to come down here and work on your timeline. So now I'm just going to do the pattern that I did in the previous version. So I'm going to create a pattern. It is a rectangular pattern. I'm going to make sure that object type is on features. I'm going for my object, I'll select that scoop. For my axis, I want any vertical axis. And then I'm going to draw that up until it goes to 1 inch. It's a total of 1 inch. I look at that and those are 1 inch apart. And that's lovely. So now that is number 11. Double checking. Yep, that's number 11. So I will save that as number 11. Oh, I'm going to, since it's a completely new thing, I'm going to go and actually do save as. And that lets me rename it completely. So this is number 11, and that's going into the proper project and folder. Save. All right.